That was too early. That was really good.
That's just a warm up.
Oh.
Lydia, I'm just going to keep it short. I just also want to acknowledge Lydia because she has been supporting our supplement STEM, which is science, technology, engineering and mathematics in that space. So whawela Lydia for always supporting us. Morning. We're going to give this opportunity, as I said earlier, I'm going to Niue give this opportunity for our Māngere Otahu local board. So kawela hima Walter, haki mai. Ai pasi mai, kawe.
Whakalopla hia te kia tautu whakamua whakapanohea tua kua pihia ha tautu ra tau whakatuyang kia tautu ra matamataina whakamole mai kua pihia e tangata ni kua mole mai kai pihia to lawe ha matu kai whakamua tua te whakaue kua mai ke tau niwe ni ne nofi manukau ma ngere o tahu ke hamu tōru tau di ke hamu tōru tau langamatai ke nangata nei ne tua atu ke whai tuanga ni wea tautu whakaue lahi ke mutu ai whai kupu ronga kai tō kupu ni whamawhana ke tautu ni matau matakai nāna ke whakatu mau ni tau whamahau ni wea tautu happy heart kai whakatu mau kai kakan ko tau whamahau ni wea ni tautu ni mai raki kaina ke kamatanga ke laki mai tautu whakaue lahi mà ta khâu cả khoai mà đi còn bị tơ mày hao câu và long cầu lời cái tàu kiểu phục cái tàu đi mày mày ấy tụ hình ngoài này thì ấy này cái này tụ hình ngoài cái hao cái đi tụ mà nát tụ hoặc ôi tụ mà nát tụ phục hút cái tàu cầu lời mà long là liên hệ sinh thì hao tàu và mua kiểu phục cái phát tàu tàu phát tàu đi mà với một hai cô cái bộ ta inok itu ni mua itu hingga itu tu pun hingga itu tu tin ha koi tu kau mai kêu ke ut cái tu kup lima tahun mata kai nang itu idif kau leh ke ma fa lai ha tu là floor ni au tu lo kau leh
Kau ma Walter, pehe matarupe ha sioni kumitau. E hawa koe ke raumatai e matakau Pulefakamotu. Si leo motoru he aho turoto, koe hake hora lima he manga East Pole ni kia. Ai uanimu. Ai morning, we'd like to invite our representation from the Ministry of Pacific Peoples, the MPP, Carlos Tupu. Oela.
Alf foi confiante com Toulouse, ao Ifamua que matou a Ilan, que mais que se viu via a uma rua na que tau tui, tau taki, tau matou a quatro, tau i fifine, tau matou fifine, tau matou tak, falata matou fuata, falou foliante. Mai loa anga hamutong de ai loa pohoia pai mo ha po Carlos tu pongator.
Dessa manhã.
Hawa we tamanga fa he ko pa o limon.
He works part of the Ministry of Pacific Peoples.
Mo tam ko ta. Ika na wake,
Oh.
ane kulu,
Woohoo.
o rase le ona le pa. O e tau mamatua te puna haku, ko hake e kafa tungi a hiuru, o e tungi paula tungi a hiuru, mo e nota matala, mahele oni, toa i fōria, makahili mo tupuanga toa tutu motu ka panga. Koe ngā hua haku he whai, ngā hua mai tau tangata he tau mai he tau atu mutu Pasifika, ko Ministry for Pacific Peoples. Koe ngō whakakua mau tolu ko IPP. Koe ngā hua haku, he whai ngā hua ia, ke matutaki mai tau tangata he tau maanga ke he whai toke lau i Nusilani nai. Kua lahi e munuina hakua mai eke ki ngā hua mai matutaki whahako atu mo i tau Niue, mo i tau tangata Niue, he tau maanga takitaha ke he whai toke lau he mutu nai. It is a privilege to stand before you in celebration of Niue's 51st year of self-governance. I want to begin by acknowledging that Komisinga Hua and Sonepaya Kumiko MNZM who planned today's festivities. This is often a thankless job, yet your work has made it possible for our tangata Niue here in Auckland to come together and honour Aho Pulefakamotu ha Niue for so many years. Your efforts deserve our heartfelt appreciation. So whakaawe lahi o e tūturo. Whakamore, whakalahi ma tau mamatua me tau matakainanga. Pese ni koe whai taupu i wangahau Niue anai, a tō whakamatala atu ke he wangahau ke ua ha tautou ke langona me maama i tau matakainanga ni ai mai ke maama i wangahau Niue. Manako au ke maama lau tōru hako a tau whakaoho atu. As we come to the end of Niue Language Week 2025, I reflect on this year's theme. Whakatapunu o whania mo i whakaaonga i wangahau Niue. Whakatapunu o whania mo i whakaaonga i wangahau Niue. Elevate, cherish, and use our beloved wangahau Niue. For me, this is more than a theme. It is a call to action that urges us to elevate our beloved wangahau Niue by changing how we perceive its value, embedding it into our daily lives, and carrying ourselves with pride as tangata Niue i Aotearoa. For me, it builds a sense of pride and belonging within our Niue communities and encourages our younger generations to embrace it as part of their living heritage. Because if we as tangata Niue do not elevate our own language, then who will? The responsibility lies with us first and foremost. I stand before you as a public servant from one of the many government agencies and ministries tasked with serving all people in New Zealand. While there is a level of responsibility that lies with the government, the main responsibility for our wangahau Niue lies within us, koe tau tangata Niue. We must value our wangahau, we must ask ourselves, if we do not value our language above all others, why should the rest of the world? Koe wangahau Niue, koe ka roa oho me whaaki mai hia tua. Wangahau Niue is a precious gift from God, given to our small but mighty island nation. It is part of what makes us unique and one of the rarest nations in the world. I am reminded of the sentiments shared by one of our leaders from back home, the Honourable Sonia Taulani, who spoke to a room full of Niue educators.